Yeah, Tornado T. Yeah, my gun do a lot of damage. When I unload my 50, my gun ain't never jamming. Me and KJ, yeah, we always run them ops. Bro, yeah, we always shooting at the cops. Bro, you better come, bro, make us fucking stop. Cause we ain't never stopping, we street rapping for life, nigga, 2 to 3, yeah, bro, it be Elijah Knight. He carry Drake, bro, I carry the Glock. Boy, you better come and make us fucking stop, cause we finna kill anybody that get in our way. 2 to 3 bullets, brother, hit you in the face, brother, zip right through when I hit you in the brain. Yeah, yeah. After you're dead, yeah, we go and celebrate. Hey, yeah. Yeah, my gun do a lot of damage, do it like that, like a motherfucking salmon. Doing like that, bro, yeah, hey. Do a lot of damage, bro, my gun never jamming. We doing like that, like we making a sandwich, like me and KJ. Yeah, we always on the streets, growing like that. Yeah, we looking for beef, like we trying to start trouble all the time. Growing like that, bro, we count every dime, making hella money, and we go to the bank, robbing every bank just to make it fucking faint. Popping them Zans, bro, we fucking faint. Yeah, we hit the fucking floor. Yeah, we take some more. Yeah. Yeah, I'm always taking them Zans when I hit the floor. Yeah, they rushing me in them hospital doors. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Boy, you belt like it's... Yeah, them bullets rush you like it's more. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Yeah, unless you want some more. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Finna cap your whole family. Nigga doing like that, trying to do a mammy. Doing like that, man, fuck all of y'all. Luke Howard, you fuck catch these hands. Shut the fuck up, I'll be flexing these bands, bro. You think I forgot about what you did to me last year, bro? You got me expelled, so now you finna learn the truth, finna get you right. 2 to 3 gonna hit you loud tonight. Yeah. Me and KJ, we spinning niggas block. Doing like that, bro, we ain't never stopping. Got a Glock 19 on my hip always, but I carry the 2 to 3 and drag around. Boy, yeah, I got here with them hollow rounds. Me and my boys, yeah, we always in the streets. Always, yeah, we started fucking beef. Yeah, we walking these streets, passing that blunt around. Doing like that, we the best around. Me and KJ, we been homeboys for life. 2 to 3, yeah, it sounding loud tonight. Like if anybody kill KJ, they going down. Cause that's my boy, bro. I'm finna drown y'all. Nigga, shut the fuck up. The bullets hit you in the cranium. Cop show up, but there ain't no saving him. Yeah, hey, yeah. EMTs asking about him in the meds, but they ain't did it. They pronounced him dead, like he ain't gonna make it, so they laid him in the sheet. Put him in the morgue and I gave him a toe tag. I'm out.